Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your watch list on Tradingview. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tradingview.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tradingview website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed with your credentials. Once you are logged into your account, you will end up within the home page where you will see the value of various different stocks. Now, if you wish to export your watch list, then tap on the watch list icon at the right side within the very top. This will open up your watch list, where if you wish to create a new watch list, you can click on the drop down menu which says watch list, and now you can click on a create new list to set up your new watch list. Once you have created a list, you will see your list at the right side underneath created lists. You will find the make a copy as well as share option. Click on the share button and you will see the copy link option. Go ahead and click on this, and now this will copy the link to your watch list within your clipboard. You can simply paste this link or share it with someone else, and whoever enters this link within their web page will be redirected into your watch list right away. And there you have it. That is how you can export and share your watch list on Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.